requested me to make a rendering part of this exterior. Few months ago I published a modeling tutorial in this project. Many of you request to a rendering part. So without any further ado, let's get started to rendering in this project. So today's video will be very interesting to learn about so many new things like rendering, lighting, exterior, plantation. Basically model is ready. So if you missed the previous modeling part in this video, so link in description below, check it out, and then make sure watch how to model this kind of a project in 3ds Max, and then you can jump in this video to learn about the rendering technique. So basically just I have put the site plan, and then make some basic modeling, like have some extra modeling, this kind of a road. So this is very basic modeling. Like if I explain that, okay, so spline, so just I'll have create line and then make it extrude, and then apply some basic material. So this is our full modeling. So you can check this, check the references, the link description below. This one is from very interesting Art Daily. So Le Domino head of is coworking, right? So you can check the actual references from here. Okay, all these references is here. Like our goal is to make out this kind of exterior, but this is not a 3D, right? This is a basically real photo. So I'm gonna try to make this kind of outstanding rendering. Let's try. Just you can check the references, okay? And this is the site plan. So here our full building block, and this is the site surrounding. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna start interactive render. So here just go to the corner toolbar and start interactive render. Click here, boom. Now as you can see here, our full screen is black. Why this is black? Because of we don't have put any kind of light in this project. Okay, so first of all we want to start about the lighting. Okay, so this is our top view. Our interactive render is running now. I put corona sunlight from corona toolbar. Just click here, and then here exterior facade. So I put sun behind the camera, okay, and front of this building. Okay, just drag and drop like this, and go to the front view, and then bringing it up the sun. Okay, so I just put this sun, and as you can see here now, the sunlight is cast in this exterior. So we need to make also a sky. So go to the sun properties now, and then just add corona sky environment. Click here, boom. So now the sky also applied in this sun. Okay, sunlight and skylight is okay. Decrease the intensity of the sun. So I just put 0.3. Let's see what happened. Put 0.3. Okay, 0.1. Okay, so you need to control also the sky. So how to control this? Press 8 from your keyboard, right? Press 8 just simply, then you can find this environment and effects pop up, Here you can see automatically added the corona sky. So, and also you need to choose the material slot. So press M and then you can find the material slot, material editor slot. Then you need to just put this sky over this material slot. Make sure it will instance. Okay, so your corona sky now is here. Now you can adjust the corona sky from this toolbar. So you can play with intensity. So decrease intensity here. Oh, now you can see your sky is look like very realistic. Okay, you can also decrease more. Okay, so as you can see now it's look like sky. Okay, so nice bluish kind of a sky right now as our reference. Okay, so if you wanna add this kind of clouds, you can do this in Corona or Vray, very simple way. So next I'll try to make add this kind of clouds. So if you want to add clouds in the sky, you need to enable clouds. Okay, so the cloud option only for Corona 9 and Corona 10. So maybe those who used in previous or older version of Corona, maybe Corona 5 or 6, 7, 8. So they're not able to create the cloud. So you can upgrade your coronarender engine, then you are allowed to make clouds parameters. So enable this, then boom, just simply you can see now our very realistic sky is here, that so much cloudy sky right now. So now you can control the clouds, so decrease the cloud amounts. So like this as our reference, see here. So that was not 3D, that was a real photo, right? Real side photo. This is not 3D. Okay, so but our 3D sky very near to our realistic photo. Just need to increase some saturation, decrease more intensity, more saturated. So I want to discuss about more thing about the Corona sky. So here you can see, if you increase the variety, you are able to make like this, but ignore this thing right now. Play the volume effect. So if you apply the volume and then scale, increase the scale, you are able to make a foggy type exterior, but we don't wanna do this, deactivate this thing. So you can place the sun according to your choice. Our scene is very transparent looking because of in interior there is no object, but our reference have so much thing in interior, like interior furniture and interior walls, so many things have in interior, but I just ignored the interior part because I want to teach you to learn about the exterior. Press F10 and then you will find the render setup pop-up. Here you can active material override. Okay, then you can see the actual lighting effect. Okay, so how much need the lighting and how affect the lighting in your exterior, you can check this out over here. Now you can adjust your sun according to your need, how much light you wanna need, and how which daytime you wanna render in your project. So maybe this side of east and this one is west, so east and west, you can check this out, which one better for this project. So very shadow cast, bring it down, then it will give you a very like morning or evening environment. Simply you can play with the sky. So I guess all of you able to learn and get idea about the corona sky. Okay, so and also maybe you are able to know about the how works on corona sky and corona sun. To decrease the value 0.02, maybe 0.05. okay, so in interactive render it's better to make to create proper lighting. So this is, there is no gap, maybe need the glass over here. So just a second, just a minute, just select this poly and this poly and then breeze. Done. Unhide all. When you are able to make basic lighting, then you can focus on the site surrounding, like as you can see here, there are some basic thing like some plantation and some road detailing, road divider. Okay, and then here some surrounding building. You can place some demo building over here. This is another camera. Okay, as you can see, very realistic sun active over here. Also you can see the very nice thing here, the sun source, the sun raising like environment. You can do this also in corona rendering is very advanced, as you can see here. Very interesting thing. Okay, so now I want to introduce you to Chaos Cosmos browser. So the very interesting thing is Chaos Cosmos browser. Your workflow can so much faster if you use this thing. So for visualization purpose, you can use the Chaos Cosmos browser to faster your workflow. So also you can maybe use Quizzle Breeze and some others plugins. So I prefer Chaos Cosmos browser from Chaos Corona or Chaos Vray. So now I want to place the demo building like our reference one. So just click here. Then building now is here, but this is make a proxy. You can show the full view, a full mesh, to making this full mesh from viewport display, right? Okay, now I want to put the building over here, there, maybe this one. So after placing the building, You can again make it point cloud or solid boundary box so that your viewport and your file will get a very compact, so not have too much heavy. Compress your file. It's better to make the detailing poly detail object in proxy. Okay, deactivate the override. Then let's see how it works. Okay, so nice environment. Now finalize the lighting, then we'll focus the final material. I want to increase some value like this. Now just adjust this according to our site plan. Okay, as you can see, done. I can put this thing here. You can put this one. But this one is very heavy. This one is very heavy, so ignore this. Put this kind of a thing, children house. You can put this one. Let's check how it's look like. Then you need to jump in the material, select decals. Okay, so from decals you can find here like this. We need, maybe we need this one, this one, this one. I just put this one. Okay, you can see here it's look like realistic, isn't it? Now we need to also put this kind of thing. rectangle, rotate it like this. Okay, make it more narrow. Like this. Make it extrude. Convert it into editable poly. Select edges, then simply connect. Or okay, first of all you need to connect. Then make it chamfer. Then make sure here, click here, then it's look like our reference done. So now we can put a white material over here. Materials, Corona, legacy material. As you can see here, I just create another line over here. So select line like this. By using refine, you can create another vertex over here. Then weld vertex, then fuse vertex. Done. Select this segment, then simply delete. Okay. Then extrude it. Done. Okay. Unhide all. Done. So now select the camera and bringing it down. This will camera view, and this is top maybe. Okay, let's start interactive render. Now see the references. We need to add some here. We need to add some plantation like this, use Cosmos browser. Then here I need to select 3D models, then vegetation. From vegetation I need to just choose here trees. So here you can find so many trees and plants. Okay, so I need to import this. Again another one, maybe this one. Will not cover our frame by not covering by our frame. So now let's see. So maybe in this view we are able to show the plants, right? Okay, so okay, just I can put plants like this, and also this. So there is no need to heavy plantation in this project. That's why I put it all these plants manually. So when if you put so many plantation like grass, all these things, you can use scatter. Okay, so when you put same trees over and over, you can try to make it some rotated so that it makes some differentiate by previous one. Okay, done. Now I just focus on some material. Okay, so first of all, the glass material. So press M for material slot. Here you can make another view 2. Here create another material like corona legacy material. Then diffuse for glass, diffuse color like more dark. Then reflection, need full reflection. Okay, so and then reflection level high, that means 1, and then finally refraction. So if I wanna put this thing over this glass, let's see what happened. This one and this one. So all this thing is glass, right? So I want to put this material, assign. So now also this and this, so all this thing here is glass. Alt W for full view. As you can see, all this thing here is glass, also this one. So select all this glass. So here all this glass I selected. Done. So you can make it group all of your glass. Okay, then assign this material. You need to increase the refraction value, refraction level, not much more, just 0.5 maybe is okay. So if you create interior environment, then you can make it more transparent, more refraction. Okay, but in this case we not have any detail in our interior, so that I just put 50% of refraction. Okay, so you can put some kind of bluish tone like our reference, some kind of a bluish tone. This is very basic, right? Okay, so no need to more right now of this solid material. So as you can see here, this one is maybe aluminium looking material. So composite aluminium or some matte type of a metal. So that kind of material from Corona material library. So here as you can see, metal is tanned blast black. So I can put this material, and maybe also we need some customization. So first of all, just drag and drop this material over here. Okay, select all this thing, like you can select one and then right click here, and then you just select similar. Okay, so your all of your similar object will select it. So also you can exclude or which not match or similar. So again unhide all, and done. You can group this one, also deselect this one, group open, group detach from this, then again group close, hide selection. Okay, now assign this material over here and hide all. So you can adjust UV map, and then when you use Corona material from Corona library, then make it real world map size. Okay, done. So now let's see how our render is looking. Start the interactive render. It's looking blackish. I can adjust the color over here. So select the Corona color, then here you can choose some kind of this kind of a color. No need this thing, just delete it, make it more simple. Okay, just Corona color, and then this color will also base color. Done. Okay, now you can see that is very near to our reference. Need to little bit customization. So from base color, just select this kind of a color. Okay, almost done. Okay, Okay, then the roof material. So here, so select one and then select similar. Okay, so all the similar object selected. Which one not selected, you can select it manually. Done. Also this roof, this floor. Okay, done. You can make it again group. Then this material is very similar to our aluminum material, metal looking. You can assign this one also. Unhide all. Make it UVW map. Real world map set. Done. Okay. Now need to correct this road material. So in road material you can search from your Corona material library. So here you need to choose the ground maybe. So roads, that will not have enough data over here, so you can select okay. Now assign the material in our road, and to make it adjust and controlling the material, you can select this material, pick this material in our material library. Okay, now you can see this road is much more realistic. So I need to just add here Corona color correct. Okay, then done. So just I need to here decrease some maybe saturation. Then here is main thing is gamma. If I put here maybe 0.6, your road more dark. Okay, so maybe 0.8. So 0.8 is okay, and make it desaturated more and less contrast. Increase brightness maybe, not much more, some. Okay, .6 gamma. Okay, now it's look like more realistic. Or you can make it reverse, like here in this road you can assign this material, and this road you can assign this material. So pick it. So this material also I put it from use Cosmos browser. So here is you are able to find ready material, just need some customization. assign over. So just assign over here. Done. Now it's look like more cool, more realistic. Okay, so finally you just need some render setting. So press F10 here, then you can find the render setup pop-up. You can increase your frame size, maybe 3000 3K resolution. Okay, so here noise level limit maybe 1 or 2, so more value less render time. Okay, and less value, it makes more denoising your scene, but it takes much more time. Okay, so I put 1.5. then here I need to just select corona high quality. For fast preview we can use GPU AI. Okay, for final render you can choose here corona high quality. Done. Then camera performance, render setup. Now I just put here light mix, so select this one, then generate it. Boom, light mix settings done. So another way to make it more realistic live render, you just need to go to the scene, and then no, you need to just go to the performance and uncheck the fast preview during the image render. Uncheck this one. In this way you are able to get more realistic render from your interactive viewport, right? Okay, now it's look like very fine, but you need to just adjustment of your sun, right? So you know, when you make render in evening time, your render will more realistic, I think. So you can make render in this kind of environment. Or this kind of, wow, this this looking sunset time. Or you can make it some rising moment. You know, this kind of environment you need to must have interior lighting. Okay, so if you want to another part to make evening time of render, maybe interior detailing, interior lighting, and then exterior, leave comment below and I'll try to make another video to make her nighttime render. Okay, like interior lighting, interior environment, and then exterior. Let me know if you wanna get this part. I'll try to make, but in this video I just fixed in the daytime render. like this. Okay, now it's look like very fine. So you can some adjustment here, tone mapping. Okay, so you can add some exposure or decrease some exposure here, then white balance, cool and warmish. If you need, you can do this. And very effective here, curve editor. So here, then curves, then here you can create more depth of your scene. Okay, yeah, now it's look very realistic. So ignore the bloom and glare effect. It's better for interior visualization. So you can add a lot of things also, maybe vignette. So you can add vignette little bit, not much more. Okay. So you need to more practice about this matter, so you can add more detail like some car and some lamppost. So this video already is very lengthy, so I don't focus on more detail. Now let's see if I hit the final render and how it's look like right now. Let's see. Wow guys, now it look like very realistic, I guess. And you can also now here put denoising. So now you can here add denoising amount. So if you put here maybe 0.99, in that way you can remove all of your noise. Okay, so after finish the render, you can see the actual output. Okay, you need to practice the sunlighting and then the environment making and all kind of thing. And if you feel any trouble to making this kind of exterior, then knock me. And the final announcement, if you want to get a more advanced course, exterior and interior visualization, I provide one-to-one mentorship. So if you get mentorship from me, will very cheap pricing, and then you will get more advanced course from me and will get lifetime support around the world. If you need to learn the visualization, learn architectural design, check the description link and you can find my WhatsApp number, and you can WhatsApp me or knock in Facebook. We will fix class schedule. I'll provide 25 classes for interior and exterior with lifetime support with a very cheap price, guys. Improve your visualization, learn 3ds Max from Scratch. So let me know if you need. See you again in next video. Thanks for watching.